Hello, guys. As you can see, I told you from the beginning of the year, since I use Dow Jones as an indicator, I don't use S&P 500, although people use it, but I don't use it because most of the time they are the same. So Dow Jones in the January, February, it was doing good. It was above the last year close. It means it was green. But as you can see, these 2 or 3 weeks, Dow Jones go under. It means we are in the red. Now, since we are just swing traders, it means we follow the trends. If Dow Jones continue to go down, so there will be a downtrend. But we will never know, since Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been doing good, especially Bitcoin, because it's the most trusted. As I told you in another video, most of the investors in the whole world, they like it because it is not a security. I have explained this in last video, just to make sure to understand that if Bitcoin is considered a security, the Security Exchange Commission will go after it, and it will have problems, and the whole market having problems. But since it's not considered as security, it's like considered as property. Property, it means it's like a house or a real estate or something. And the number of Bitcoin will be I think 21 million. So there will be no more Bitcoin after that. And they say it will be in the full 21 million, I think in 110 years from now or something like that. So for us, it doesn't matter all the things that you see. What matters is the price. Is it going up or is it going down? Has it a trend up or a trend down? This is what makes us money. Because we are not day traders. For example, what I do is always swing trading. I'm not a day trader, so I don't follow news. I don't follow all the things, because if you follow news, you should be a day trader. Okay? So from now on, just focus on Bitcoin and an index, like if you like S&P 500, or if you like Dow Jones, you can focus on it and try to check the stocks that you have or you are looking for, and measure it or compare it to Dow Jones or S&P 500. Okay? Because there are some stocks that are better. It means that in this year they are doing good, 20%, 30%, 50%. Some stocks that are big, they are doing good. And you find some other stocks are doing below Dow Jones. And those stocks are going down and down and down. It means they have problems, especially banks, stocks. And understand that most of the people, they say we are going or we are heading to a recession. But they say before the recession, maybe the stock market make a move, as some people bet on Bitcoin to be $1 million in 3 months in June. I don't know how do they bet it, but it means they are there is a lot of enthusiasm in the future that Bitcoin will be a safe thing compared to stocks, compared to gold, compared to the other things. And understand that when you see the market, when you see people talking, someone who has a lot of gold, he wants that everybody buys gold. Like this guy who is called Robert Kiyosaki, he said that he has a lot of gold, like physical gold. Okay, he doesn't trust the dollar. as he says. Okay, so someone who likes Bitcoin, and he sees that the future is in Bitcoin, not in the dollar, you will find other people who are, you see them online on YouTube. They are always talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be 1 million. It will be 3 million. It will be what it will be. But for us, since we are just for short term, we like the trends. If there is a trend in a stock or in Bitcoin or in anything else, you should follow. Now, there is another thing. Understand that you can, if something happened, a disaster in the market, you can go down with the market and make money. And this, you can use it with inverse ETFs. I have a training about inverse ETFs, how to spot them, how to follow the indexes up or down, and how to make money from them. So it means don't be scared of the market. If something happened bad, try just to use inverse ETFs and make some money. Why the other people are holding in stocks, holding in Bitcoin, holding in cryptocurrencies, and they see they are going down, they're losing a lot of money. Some they have been wiped out, but they believe that one day Bitcoin or that stock will come back. It might come back, but if you lose 70, 80, 90%, it's a lot of money. And sometimes maybe you need your money and you will be wiped out. So the most important thing, if you guys, you are following some stocks, following cryptocurrencies, or just do so, but be cautious that everything can happen in the market. If there is something good and there is a trend and everything is going up, it will be a great thing to make some money this year. Because a lot of people, I see them, they say until June there will be a big move. I don't know how do they get that, but for me, I don't predict anything. For me, I don't care. The only thing I care about is I see something moving up or down, and then I make a decision what to do. And for me, I don't do selling short, because it is so dangerous in this volatile time. So I use inverse ETFs to go down when the market is going down, indexes are going down, Bitcoin is going down, everything is going down. I use these inverse ETFs. You can use also put options in Bitcoin, ETFs, in stocks, in you just name it. It means you just use inverse ETFs, and it will do the job. The more, like when we have the financial sector is collapsing, so if you use put options, you can make a lot of money where things are collapsing. A lot of money. Okay, so just look at the price, because when you look at the news, it's a lot of news, and each person says something depending on what he thinks and depending on his interest. Okay, someone has bought a lot of gold. He's always asking people to buy gold because they say it's safe, it is against inflation and against the dollar, and I don't know, they say what they say. But understand, gold is staying the same for 10 years or 20 years. It goes up a little bit, it goes down. So you can't even make money with gold. Okay, now gold, if it is like stocks, yes, you can make money from stocks, mining stocks. Yes, you can make money, because a stock that it is $10, it goes to 50, it goes to 70 or 100. You can make a lot of money. But physical gold, those people who go and buy gold, physical gold, and they buy with a premium, they are the biggest losers I have ever seen. I have seen a lot of talk, and you say, you buy gold is this price, you buy it with a premium, and you have fees, so they will it's just a rip off. Okay, so guys, focus a lot on the indexes. For example, for me, I use Dow Jones. It's down, so it is on red. So the following weeks will tell the story. If Dow Jones will continue to go down with S&P 500 and the others, Russell 2000 and the others, it means that the whole market will be dragged down, especially with financial stocks like banks and like the other things. They might go down also. But understand that the market it's not all they go down. There are some sectors, industries, or stocks that they go up. It's just because a lot of people, they buy according to some analysts or thing. Like last year, you can see that energy stocks, we have insurance stocks, we have some drug companies, you have some automotive stocks. You can see that some, they have done excellent last year. But the whole market, like technology, have been the worst last year. Okay? So it's not always white or black. It depends on where you at when the actions happen in the market. Sometimes you are in a stock that it is doing very well and the whole market is doing bad. So you make money and the others are losing money, especially investors. But for us, since we are not investors, we are only swing traders, we follow short trends or longer trends, and we try to make some bucks from that. Okay? So thank you very much. If you have questions or so, please ask. Thank you very much.